Good morning guys, it's Katie and I'm back with another vlog. So it is currently Thursday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I just woke up. I woke up 10 minutes ago, literally 12:50, and I remembered, oh shoot, I'm posting a vlog today at 1 o'clock. So I just posted my vlog. It's 1:03 now and I'm liking and responding to a bunch of y'all's comments. I love my vlog channel because I feel like we are so connected in the fact that it's the only channel I have with comments, because if you don't know, my main channel, Katie's Corner, YouTube disabled the comments so no one can comment on it, which stinks. But my vlog channel is like the tight-knit people who I know like love and support me always, because they always watch my videos and they watch my second channel videos. So I'm always really active in liking and responding to your comments, and I'm gonna try and start posting more vlogs. I've been sticking to like once a week, but that's not good enough for me. I want to do more than that. As you can see, I try to like all of them. You know, it's kind of impossible for me to like, oh, hey there. Well, interception. I'm currently doing schoolwork. Today is science. Thursday is science day for me. So I have to do Nearpod, which is something I never done before until we started doing online school. Nearpod, it's basically just like a mini lesson with mini quizzes along the way. And then I have an assessment, which I'm not very excited about. I don't really know what it's about either. Let me know what you guys want to see in these vlogs down below, please, because I feel like I do the same thing in every single vlog. Wake up in the morning, do school, go tan, work out, and that's it. But that's kind of my life. Very exciting news, guys. So I did my Nearpod assignment for science, but we have a summative assessment, which is due next Thursday. So I have a week till I have to do that, which is exciting because I really don't want to do that. Actually, the math project was given to me on Tuesday because that's my math day, but it's due next Tuesday. I'm working with Cole on that. He's in the shower right now, but then we're gonna work together on this assignment.
What?
His face was an accurate depiction of how our math project is going. So basically the first half was super easy. We got that done like ASAP. But this next half, I don't know what's happening, man. I haven't left my bed since 7 p.m. last night, and it's now 2 p.m. in the next afternoon. Like, I've almost been in my bed for 24 hours, which is just not okay.
I'm so happy to hang up on Katie and play Fortnite hopefully soon.
At least you've left your bedroom, okay? I'm stuck at doing this. Also, it's another one of those like gloomy, rainy days outside. It's not sunny, which makes me sad. My dad, ooh, this is exciting. My dad rented a boat for us to go out on Lake Blue Ridge this Saturday, which I'm so excited about because if you guys don't know, I love the lake and I just love the boat. Like, just being on boats on the lake is my favorite thing to do. So I'm very excited, but hopefully it doesn't get rainy and gloomy and get canceled because that would absolutely stink. I'm looking forward to that so much. I have finally gotten out of my bedroom today, and it feels very nice to use these beautiful legs that God gave me. But I am starving. I haven't eaten anything since dinner last night at 6 o'clock. How's your day, Cam?
Fine. Get away from me. I'm playing Fortnite.
Jeez. Good to see you too. I need some food because I am starving. I know exactly what I'm gonna eat. This is the only cereal that I like. Lucky Charms is my stuff. Okay, I know what I'm gonna eat. I'm so excited. Yes, let's go. Big bowl of Lucky Charms with no milk because I don't like milk. So here's my Mac Daddy bowl of Lucky Charms, and I don't know about y'all, but in my house Lucky Charms go so fast. You gotta eat them while you can. And then my dad went to the store a few days ago because we ran out of groceries, and he got some bananas. I can't eat like a plain banana. It scares me, just the texture. Like, I'm really big on textures. I just can't do it. But I recently tried this new thing, which is not new at all. It's just new for me. But if you take a banana and chop it up and then put almond butter on it, it is so good, and that is so high in fiber and protein because this is already a lot of potassium, and then the almond butter gives you like a ton of protein. Also, a banana keeps you fuller longer than if you eat like a bowl of sugary cereal like me. We're gonna balance it out, kind of. I've been loving breakfast food recently, and I don't know what it is. Like, I used to be a breakfast food hater, didn't love it, it wasn't my favorite, and now that's all I've been eating. Here's my lunch at 2:30 in the afternoon. It looks so good, and I'm so excited to eat this food. This is how you eat these bananas. You dip them. So good. Ooh, he's wearing my merch. Turn around. All t-shirts are 10% off right now with code TEAS10. Go shop. TEAS, T-E-E-S. TEAS10, and you can match Chase. You know, my eyes were definitely bigger than my stomach when I got myself that much food to eat because I didn't finish it all. But it is now 2:45 and I'm chugging some water because I have to do my Chloe ting today. 4 exercises today, I think. I'm pretty sure there's 4 different videos. Not excited, but I just ate, so I definitely have to let the food settle in my stomach. It's now 3:45, which means it's Chloe ting time. Hopefully I'll be able to do the workout because I have a lot of food in my stomach, but I give it an hour to settle, and I think that's good. Here is my Chloe Ting OOTD. So I have this Vanderbilt t-shirt. One of my favorite shirts are just like sports teams or schools that are like worn in but super soft that you can find at like the Goodwill or thrift stores because they're so nice, and you get them just like a little bit oversized and it's perfect. A Vanderbilt tee, and then I have gray Nike shorts on. Yeah, that is the fit. Deodorant, obviously. We gotta smell yummy. But you got that yummy, yummy. Also, my hair is like still short, so when I put it in a high pony, like you can't even see the pony and it always looks so funky. It has like so many different layers. I don't know why, because my hair isn't layered. It's cut straight across. Look, you can see like these pieces are so short, but then these are so long. I don't know how hair works. I'm still trying to figure it out. All right, I'm scared to see what I have to do today because I think it's a lot. Day 12, 4 different videos. Not excited. Oh, we're so close to the end though. We're so close. Alright guys, I'm done with day 12 of Chloe Ting. Honestly, it wasn't too bad. There was 4 videos. You guys probably know this by now, but there's always 2 of the same videos every single day, and then she normally adds a 3rd video that's different or 2 different videos at the end. So it's normally 3 or 4 workouts, and today was 4 videos totaling 50 minutes, but the 2 that she added, like, I don't mind those. There's one that I hate, which is core and arms, but it wasn't bad. I just have cramps really bad right now. I started my shark week yesterday, and whew, I have like the worst period cramps ever. Like, it's so bad I can burst into tears, and I just don't know what to do about it. Like, I take medicine and it still hurts so bad. If you guys have any tips, please let me know, because like heating pad doesn't work for me, taking period medicine doesn't work for me. Like, I just don't know what to do. But I feel good. I got a sweat in. It's really nice out. It's still like cloudy and gloomy, but it is 52 degrees out, so it feels nice once you're like sweating, you know. Now I'm just liking some more comments on my vlog channel. I love to read and like a bunch of comments. It just makes my day so much better. They're so fun. Comment if you guys see yourself. I try to read and like so many, but just remember, I can't read all of them. Oh, Katie's my spirit animal. Katie's a queen. Y'all are so cute. Katie's only YouTuber that makes me smile every day. She's the sweetest girl. I love Katie to death. Oh, that's so cute, y'all. I'm getting your merch for my birthday. So many people keep telling me that they're getting my merch for their birthday, and y'all are gonna love it. It makes me so happy that people like my merch. Like, when I first launched it, let me tell you guys, I thought no one was gonna buy it. I'm not just saying that for like pity or anything. I really thought no one was gonna buy it because I was like, who wants my name on their shirt? But y'all have been so supportive of my merch, and so many of you guys have it and wear it and buy it, and I see it on Instagram. If you guys also don't know, I'm just gonna plug one more thing, I promise. I'm just in a talkative mood. But I do have a merch Instagram account called Katie's Corner Merch, and I've been posting you guys wearing it all the time. It's so fun. If you guys can see this, I've been posting so many of you guys wearing it. Go shop using the link down below if you want, and I will definitely post you on the merch account if you tag me. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling now. I just love you guys a lot. I love you guys a lot. So I just went through these 2 SD cards and uploaded all the footage from my Chloe Ting workouts to my computer. And y'all, I have like no space left on my Mac, and that's not even all the footage. I have 2 gigs left of 121 gigs just from this Chloe Ting video, which is absolutely insane. I don't know what I'm supposed to do because this isn't even all the footage. It's already 4 hours long, and obviously that's without like editing and stuff, but this is ridiculous. Like, I may not even be able to post the video because there's so much footage. So it's 6:30 now, and I was just on the phone with Apple Care for like 30 minutes because I uploaded all that footage off of those 3 SD cards, and it ran my MacBook completely out of storage. Normally I don't use an external drive. If you have no idea what I'm saying, I'm so sorry, but an external hard drive, which is where you would normally keep your footage and stuff, I don't use one because I don't feel the need to, but it's like time. I had over 5 hours worth of footage of just my Chloe Ting workouts. I had to delete all the editing I did for that video already, delete all the footage off my laptop. I still have it on the SD cards, but I think it's so ridiculous. It's insane the amount. I don't know. So now I'm gonna have to probably spend like $100 on a an external drive. I know I need, but it's not something I want to buy right now. Here we go. I need one with 500 gigabytes. You know how much storage that is? It's time for dinner though. My parents got some takeout. Here's my salad. It's just cheese, lettuce, chicken, buffalo sauce, and blue cheese to dip it in. And then my mom and I are gonna share some French fries. There is this restaurant called Iron Bridge, and you guys have probably seen it a bunch in my Instagram posts, on my stories, or in my videos, my vlogs specifically. And we get food from there so often because it's right by our cabin and they do it really well. It's super easy, but they're struggling right now because of COVID. So if you live in the Blue Ridge Mountains area, or if you ever come up to visit, give them a shot. It's a cute, locally owned place, and I actually got them merch. I think I talked about this in one of my vlogs, but I got Kim and Allie. Allie's Kim's daughter, and I got both of them shirts with my logo because they asked for them. So their food's super good. It's homemade, everything. They spend lots of time making it, and they're just good people, so we recommend. Even the dog wants it. She always begs for my food. Goodness, Mellow. Update. So I just had to buy an external hard drive for $115 off of Amazon. Thank you so much to Apple Computers for not giving us lots of storage. I've been looking into buying an iPad for a while just because it would take my videos to the next quality. And you guys are probably not gonna know what I'm talking about, but there's an app called Procreate where you can doodle and draw your own text using an Apple Pencil. And I really, really want to get into that and just learn how to add like plugins and stuff to my videos. So that's why I'm currently buying an iPad and an Apple Pencil. So today my total spent is $700, but you know, it's a business write-off, so that's a good thing. Yeah, I'll show you the iPad order once we're done. My mom is shopping. She's trying to find me a coupon. Stop trying to cover your face. I should be getting an iPad and an Apple Pencil in the next few days. So I did my laundry like a really long time ago and forgot that it's been sitting in the dryer, and I have like no clothes or underwear. Ooh, that is terrible lighting. We bought the iPad and the Apple Pencil. I'm very, very excited, and that will be coming up in a haul or something. For now, it's time for me to separate my laundry. Yay! Let's go. I am so close to being done with Criminal Minds on Netflix, which makes me so sad. If you don't know already, there's only 12 seasons of Criminal Minds on Netflix out of 15 seasons total, and I'm on season 11, episode 13. I'm gonna watch some Criminal Minds right now. Jamie's gonna FaceTime me soon because apparently she has some tea that she needs to spill, and I'm all here for the tea. I love to hear it, you know? But I'm so happy that I bought the iPad and the Apple Pencil today. I just want to clarify something. I bought that with all my own money. Everything I buy is with my own money. So I just wanted to make that clear because I did spend a lot of money today, but you have to remember these are things I need to do my job, and they're tax write-offs, so that's always a good thing. My camera battery's gonna die, but I'll see you guys in a little bit.